Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to Amavenzo TV. It's the Betway Premiership. Orlando Pirates 2, TS Galaxy 0. I'm joined by Wanga.
Hola. Fede bafethu.
Yeah, sure.
Fede the viewers. Yeah.
Game ibone kanjani?
Game pushile ne.
Yeah.
Too much ipagani. Lashes, I don't wanna lie. They are playing those boys, ne?
Yeah.
They know their story.
Yeah.
Yeah. And I said even before, and I'll still say it again, good day. The coach knows his stuff.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
Yeah. So ayiphakanela dlala ne. Mina ngizofanda kahle ngitlo corrector. Baba Tori mele si unite. It's more like going to ask my neighbor to say, hey neighbor, come and touch my wife. We understand that. I can't do the job, come and touch my. Every man for himself in this world. You understand that? Even you, Steve, you on your own. You understand? Every man for himself. Don't go to my neighbor and say, hey neighbor, singiyahluleka emedini yami. Hayi bafowethu, what the shit. Yini lento esikhulumayo bafowethu. We rather close the channel again. Bafowethu. Ayikho ifenezi eChiefs ezovumelana ukuthi ikhosi lobiza iPirates ukuthi asihlanganele Sundowns. Ukilo yebona kaya mara mjezo. Mahlathi naye. Young disappoint. Yeah. You understand that? In fact, your woman is a woman. You need to do the job. If you are hlulega wena, kama imai, bazogaya something. Imbiza ubuzo uzoshaya. Yabona nepakane emhluleka lilivalo lokufuna amaqanda. You come back. Alithi. Anisibolekeni. Sihlangane soshaya Sundowns. Bafowethu like tell me if I'm wrong.
No, you
understand? If I'm wrong, I'll step back. You understand? If I'm wrong,
no,
I'll be wrong. Mara rikasikopanele msari wako.
Impethu.
Lido yamba ngajivenda, ringasihlanganela msatsi wanga. You understand? Mia wanga ni mia wanga.
Yeah.
You understand?
Eat alone. Yeah. Every man for himself.
Every man for himself. Us, we fighting our own battle, and our own battle is to succeed.
Yeah.
You understand?
We can't now team up against Sundowns.
We can't team up about with Sundowns or any other team.
Yeah.
You understand? Or Pagani or you understand? Ikosi, it's on their own journey to conquer.
Yeah.
You understand? What is no. We're on that. No. Every man for himself from faith. You understand? You give up.
One.
It's simple. Good. We want to give up early. In 6 games, 7 games, 8 games, 9 games. No, for Pella, we've got only 1 lose in this season. Only 1 lose.
And that's a great.
You understand that? It's not something bad. So, anyway, I'll say what we're going to conquer.
Thank you.
We won't allow anyone to come help us.
Case
closed.
Thank you, man. I will say.